Hello traders, in this video I am going to be walking you through the Universal Breakout EA and showing you exactly how it behaves in the market, how the strategy plays out in real time and whether it's something worth testing on your setup. Quickly before we dive in, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. It's a solid option if you want something extra to experiment with alongside EAs like this. Now, one important thing to get clear right from the start is that the Universal Breakout EA is available for both MT4 and MT5, so you can run it on either platform. Looking at the MQL5 marketplace page, the first thing that stands out is that this EA is completely free, which already makes it very accessible, especially if you are just getting into automated trading or testing breakout strategies. It is developed as a range breakout system, and the positioning here is pretty straightforward. All right. It's meant to remove complexity and focus on a very clear trading idea. What I like about the presentation is that it doesn't try to overcomplicate things. It's not claiming any unrealistic performance. It's basically saying define your range and let the EA handle the rest. All right. Also, by default, it is optimized for Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so it's a good starting point for testing, especially since that pair has stable behavior and reasonable spreads. But as always, what matters is not the description, it is how it actually executes. All right. At its core, this EA is built around automating breakout trading. But the real strength here is in how much control you have over defining the breakout itself. Now, you are not locked into a single setup. You can define the range based on sessions, daily highs and lows, or even specific candles. That flexibility is powerful because breakout strategies behave very differently depending on how the range is formed. For example, session-based ranges tend to capture volatility shifts, while daily ranges are more structured. Now, once that range is defined, the EA handles everything else, calculating the entry levels, placing pending orders, and managing the trade after entry. The big advantage here is consistency, right? Breakout trading often requires precision timing, and doing that manually can be inconsistent. Another important point is that it does not use martingale or grid systems, right? That's a major plus because it means risk is more controlled and predictable. You are dealing with single position logic rather than layered exposure that can spiral during bad conditions. However, that also means you don't get the recovery effect that grid systems rely on. So your entries actually need to be accurate. The EA also includes trade management tools, all right, like the break even, and trailing stop, which are critical in breakout systems, because in breakout trading, not every breakout follows through. You often get false breakouts, so having protection mechanisms helps lock in profits or reduce losses when the move does not continue. But here's the trade-off. Breakout systems are highly dependent on market conditions. So when volatility is strong and price expands out of ranges cleanly, they perform very well. But in low volatility or choppy conditions, you'll see more false signals. So understanding that behavior is key, and that's exactly what we're going to observe in the backtest. Okay, so let's head over to our strategy tester right now, and we're going to be testing the universal breakouts, on the recommended pair, which is Euro USD, on the recommended time frame, which is H1. Okay, so now we're just going to select the universal breakout. All right, universal breakout Euro USD H1. I'm running this test from the start of the year, 1st January 2026, so that we can get a realistic view across different market conditions. Okay, but I recommend that you should test the EA over a longer period of time, to get a more comprehensive result. Now let's just go ahead and start the test. All right. So we've got our first setup forming. Okay, if you look closely, the EA has already defined a range based on previous candles, and right now we can see that we have pending orders placed. You can see this sell trade is already executed. Now we have a buy stop already placed, right? Okay, so let's just continue. All right, watch how the EA manages the trades. Okay, price triggered a breakout but then quickly reversed. Okay, we might have a couple of breakout or false breakout scenarios, but the EA doesn't try to fix bad trades. It simply accepts them and moves on. That's actually a good thing, from a risk perspective. But let's just keep going. All right. As we move forward, you'll notice a pattern, clean wins during strong moves and small losses during choppy periods. That's exactly how a well-structured breakout system should behave. All right. So we are just going to skip to the end and then head over to the results. We want to analyze the results together, so we know how the EA performed over, close to 4 months. Okay. So in a few seconds now, the results will be out. And here we go. All right. So now we had an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars, and we had just about $120 total net profit. So that is giving us roughly 0.3. Is it 0.3 or 3%? Okay, that should be 3%, right? Because 1% will be $30. So 120 with 4%, right? So about 4% profit was made, and we had total trades 46. Short trades were 25, long trades were 21. We have quite a good win rate here. 80% of the short trades were profitable, 80.95% of the long trades were profitable. And then we can see that the largest profit trade was $29.4. The largest losing trade was $62.85. The average profit trade was $17.65, and the average loss trade was $59.15. What I think about the system is that it has a great win rate but poor risk to reward ratio. We can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss, the difference between the largest profit and the largest loss. So there is a poor risk to reward ratio but a nice win rate. Okay, maybe that is the reason why we just had about 4% profit over 4 months, right? But remember that these are just historical backtest results. They are useful for understanding behavior, but they don't guarantee future performance. Your results will vary depending on your broker, execution speed, spreads, and especially your risk settings. So before using this on a live account, it's important to test it yourself and adjust the parameters based on your risk tolerance. All right. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.